So I was gonna tell you. I freaking saw a bird today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why are you videotaping me? What are you going to do?
No.
Yes, you are. What are you going to do?
No,
You're
no.
going to throw something at me.
No, no.
I'm not stupid. I'll spray the shit out of you. You want to get wet?
I was just telling you that I saw a bird
Let me see
today.
your hand. You're videotaping me for something. I'm not... What are you going to throw at me, dude?
Nothing.
I'll spray you. I'm going to spray you right now.
I was just telling you that I saw a bird today.
Mom, he pooped right in
Don't.
Good. You don't. What are you going to throw at me?
Nothing. I was just telling you that I saw a bird today.
Okay.
What?
Good one.
Why is that a good one?
No idea.
Mom, Dad, shut down. I'm gonna go put these back. Mom, they yabble.